Why is nobody talking about the man whose brain is behind the establishment of Ikwerre as a different ethnic group from the Igbo? Obi Wali was born on 27 February 1932 in Rumi Igbo town, headquarters of Abara Kingdom in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State. His parents were late Chief Frank Wali and Mrs. Jane Wali. He had a younger sibling, late Mrs. Patience Nwaku Okabie. He was educated at the West African People's Institute, Calabar, followed by St. Augustine Secondary School, Ikwerre. For higher education, he attended the University College, Ibadan, where he specialized in literature. He then continued his studies in the United States, where he obtained a doctorate degree in literature. Wali was one of the founding fathers of Rivers State in Nigeria, served as the first commissioner for education, as well as a member of the first executive council of the state. He was later elected a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the Second Republic. In 1980, he was elected a minority leader of the House of Senate. Wali fought for the creation of Port Harcourt from Rivers. After the Civil War, the Ijaws from the old Rivers took over from the Igbos, Ikwerre. They were marginalized and were not allowed to work in the oil refineries due to the fact that they were Igbos. Obi Wali, with his political position, helped form the Ikwerre ethnicity because of the situation of the Igbo people in Nigeria then. Ikwerre was formed so that the Igbo people can get jobs. This was because Igbos were not employed or allowed to have bank accounts after the Civil War. Obi Wali then created Port Harcourt out of the old Rivers for Ikwerre because they were marginalized by the old Rivers government. Wali was violently murdered and dismembered in his bedroom at home by suspected hire assassins on 26 April 1993. The reason for his murder remains unclear till this day. However, many connected his murder to his opinion in political situations. At the time of his murder, Wali was a respected senator representing Rivers in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He was later buried on 24 February 1994. This was not long before the Nigerian state executed another minority human rights activist, Ken Saro-Wiwa. General Ibrahim Babangida, the former military head of state, Chief Rufus Ada George, former governor of Rivers State, and Peter Odili, the then governor of Rivers State, amongst many others, were accused in the complicity of Wali's murder in Port Harcourt. Tell me in the comment section if you think that the names mentioned had a hand in Wali's death.